You are looking at Julien's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you say this Latin expression that is quite common in English and quite useful as well? So in English it's pronounced as curriculum. K, a schwa sound. K, rec, g, lum. Curriculum. Okay, stress on the second syllable. Both British and American are similar here. Curriculum Vitae is how it's said in English. Now, if you're wondering about Latin, Curriculum Vitae. Curriculum Vitae, but in English, Curriculum Vitae. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.